Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to permanently delete TradingView account. So once you've opened up your TradingView app, the next to the bottom here we have some options. Tap on the menu, the last option at the bottom. At the top here, tap on the gear icon to open up the settings. Bottom here, tap on delete account. And note that your personal data will be deleted after 30 days. Note that this process can be reversed if you change your mind within 30 days. Simply click cancel account deletion at the bottom of the screen to cancel data deletion. All your personal data will be deleted and your public profile will be anonymized. All your personal data will be deleted and your public profile, that is your username and avatar, will be changed to default one, making you unidentifiable. Your phone number will be deleted, but for security reasons, you will not be able to re-enter this number for another account. That goes for even if this account is then deleted. Please note that all public content, that is ideas and scripts, comments, public and private chat messages you posted prior to deleting your account will still be visible to others according to the terms and conditions, all terms of use of TradingView. Now, are you sure you want to delete your account? Also note that this action will log you out of TradingView from every device you're currently logged in on, and all unsaved data in your chat will be lost. If you are, tap on yes, delete my account. So you have to create a password to be able to do that. So an email is being sent to explain how to create a password. Once I set my password, click on the link and the link in the email to set my password. Once I've done that, I'll be able to delete my account. It's as simple as that.